In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a subscribe link for your YouTube channel. So once people click on that, they will see this, confirm channel subscription. They can then click right down, subscribe. Okay, so how can you actually do this yourself? So you want to go to YouTube and then click on your channel. So basically go to your own channel. Now, if you then take a look at the URL bar, you'll find your channel link, right? So you want to remove view as subscriber and you want to add sub_confirmation equal 1. So I'll just zoom in on this so that you guys can see what that looks like. So make sure to go to your channel, grab your own channel link, and then add sub_confirmation equals 1. So this will now be your subscribe link. If you just copy that and if I paste it and hit enter, I'm going to show you that that actually works. As you can see right there, confirm channel subscription. Are you sure you want to subscribe to How To Digital? So that's how you can create your own subscribe link on YouTube. If the video helps you out, please consider leaving a like. I would appreciate that. That would help me out a lot. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions and if it works, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.